Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon for Mr. Lecture and Assistant Practicum Pneumatic and Hydraulic Class RA. Okay, this time I can presentation about Practicum Pneumatic Hydraulic and Hydraulic Module 5. Module 5, this is PLC control application in a pneumatic system. Before I start presentation conclude for practicum, excuse me, I will introduce myself. My name is Abdullah Hakim Rahdan and ID student 123490051 and study program Pneumatic and Hydraulic Practicum RA from Institut Sumatera Teknologi Industri Fakulti Teknologi. Okay, it's time. Let's start. Let's no wasting time. I can presentation conclude module 5 PLC control application in a pneumatic system. Okay, this is slide 1 or first practicum goals. Practicum goals in this practicum module 5 have 3 point. 3 point is 1. Understanding the working principle of controls in Omron PLC. Omron PLC this is a type or brand for PLC program. And second, learning to use the GNT and GNTR or reset counter and their variation in ladder diagram. And last, knowing how to connect the counter to the output. And next slide, continue for opening slide. This is I can present counter up or GNT initial. What is counter up? Counter up is function calculate the number of rising pulse increment from the input. How it works? Each time the input is active, is example, a button is pressed or sensor signal, the GV or current value increase by 1. In this coding program, analogies for process GNT if GV or current value big same PV press value, then the output counter bit address C example XXX will be on. In this picture, the example of illustration for code in edit instruction for GXP programmer in ladder program. And you log GNT 00010. Okay, in timer format on GNT, this timer format GNT or counter op and hook 000, open strip address, close, connect, pipe 10, nilai value PV. And this picture we watch GNT counter up and look this edit instruction success correct in JXP programmer. This is correct or complete. And this is picture about diagram ladder for control up and using normally open function and code or address C000. Okay, next GNTR or counter reversible or bidirectional. What is GNTR? GNTR is head function for calculate increment and decrement depending on the input condition. How it works? GNTR. How it works? First, user input up. Next, GV increase or contour value. Input down. Next, contour value decrease. The output will be on if the GV big same PV and will turn off again if the GV drops below the PV. Okay, you see in the picture, this picture explain edit instruction, coding or program. In this picture, you see GNTR 0001 and 10. Timer format for GNTR is GNTR counter reversible connection junction 0001 for address junction 10 nilai value PV. And next picture you see all look for edit interaction function if complete and correct coding. And next picture for GNTR ladder diagram in JXP programmer. In this picture you see using normally open function and address C0001 same address first. Okay, next slide. In this slide ladder PLC, you see this full slide. I take full picture for ladder diagram GNT and GNTR program. And this is full hub diagram. And next slide, we see next picture more picture for ladder diagram and continue for ladder diagram picture 1. And this last picture for ladder diagram. Okay, and last slide. In documentation of practicum, this one only picture documentation practicum in take 2 week tomorrow. Practicum in lab instrumentation automation. Okay, finish for presentation. Conclude practicum pneumatic and hydraulic module 5 about PLC counter application in a pneumatic system. And next, I can make a ladder diagram using GXP programmer. See you, I know, in GXP programmer software, and this time I can make ladder diagram for GNT and GNTR in the module 5. Okay, in the opening step, first step, you make a new file, you click file and new, you add file name file, and this I add name track pipe. The first step for PLC GPIL, OK or enter, click. Okay, this is opening interface for GXP or ladder diagram program. Okay, just no wasting time, I start the make ladder diagram. Okay, this one you put, you click normally open and take (000) for address, enter, add name PB on, enter. Okay, inside PB on, side right, you add normally close and address T.0.01. Okay, 01. Okay, PB off. Okay, in under PB on, you drop normally open, w.000 w0.00 and name is system, enter. Okay, you add vertical connector. Okay, and last you add coil for closing row 1 program or diagram. W000 system. Okay, this diagram is correct, no crash or error. Okay, next row, you click normally open and drop this row 1 address 0.02. Comment is GNT. In site SVGNT, same normally open, address v00 system. p underscore 1 p underscore 1 s, enter, and otomatis put field name 1 second. And next, your add instruction function. Instruction is GNT 000 span 10. Control up for comment or name. Okay, in between system and p underscore 1 second, your add vertical connector. And your add normally open, address to T000. Done. This program is work and correct, it's not wrong or error. In this time I will try to simulation online, only device not connect for VLC. I waiting, still wait for loading. Okay, and this is the program, and you double click, add value 1 for on and 0 for off. In this value I set 1 for on, set. Okay, you see this line, this green full for all row 0. In this meaning to this program leader is work and available. And next is VGNT. Okay, is VGNT on for system on, control off, on, and this time work and GNT reversible time. Yes, you see. Okay, this is simulation. Is first and last presentation conclude. I hope you look your way understand for a presentation module 5 about PLC control application in a pneumatic system with in slide or in program GXP. Okay, thank you for watching this video. See you on the next time.